Hello friends, welcome to ELearnEra. In this session, we are going to see geometrical set and ordered geometrical set. First, we will see what is geometrical set. Geometrical set, also called as GS. Geometrical sets enable to gather various features in a same set or subset and organize the specification tree when it becomes too complex or too long. Geometrical set make it possible to combine multiple features into a single set or subset, as well as to arrange the specification tree when it becomes too complex. The geometrical set can contain any element you want. It does not need to be logically organized. The sequence of these elements is meaningless because their access and visualization are managed separately and without any rules. Within the specification tree, in this session, we will see how to organize geometrical set. Now, we will see how to insert geometrical set. Now, we'll start with generative shape design. Click on start, then choose shape. Click on generative shape design. Here a new part window appears. Just rename it. Now we have to insert geometrical set. From the menu bar, choose insert. Now choose geometrical set. Here you can see body in a set, then geometrical set and ordered geometrical set. Here we have to choose geometrical set. Click on this geometrical set. Here the dialog window for inserting a geometrical set appears. The elements that will be included in new geometrical set are displayed here in features list. Now we have to give name to new geometrical set. Here I will just give basic surface. Then we have to choose the body where new geometrical set will be added from this father drop down selection. When we click on this drop down, all possible documents destination are shown. Here we can see sample 1 and geometrical set. Here we will choose geometrical set 1 as father document. Click on OK. Our new geometrical set named basic surface appears here. You can see. Now we will see how to remove geometrical set. For that, here I have opened previously modeled part. There are two techniques to choose from how to remove geometrical set. First, if you want to remove geometrical set and all its contents, follow this step. Select the delete contextual command from right click menu. Here we will start for basic surface. Now here we try to remove this basic surface geometrical set with all of its contents. Right click, then select delete. Here delete dialog box appears. Just click on OK. Here you can see the geometrical set named basic surfaces is removed with all its content, which means we cannot access the surfaces inside this basic surface GS after deleting this GS. Now we will see another technique of removing geometrical set. If you wish to remove the geometrical set but wish to maintain the content, do the following. This is only possible if geometrical set's father location is another geometrical set. When the father location is a root geometrical set, then this is not possible. From a right click menu of specified geometrical set, select object of that geometrical set. Then we have to choose remove geometrical set contextual command. Just click on it. Now the geometrical set has been eliminated and its constituents entities have been added to the father geometrical set. Here you can see the entities from basic surfaces are added to the construction geometrical set and the basic surface geometrical set is eliminated. Next, we will see how to move geometrical set to a new body. A whole body and its content can be moved at once from one geometrical set to another geometrical set. For that, first select geometrical set from specification tree. Here we will try to move this flange 1 geometrical set. Right click on this flange 1, then go within flange 1 object. Here from contextual menu select change geometrical set. The dialog box change geometrical set appears here, giving all of possible destinations in drop down. Here we have to choose destination body or destination geometrical set where this flange 1 geometrical set to be placed. Here we'll try with this join and trim geometrical set. When just select from drop down where we have to move this geometrical set, then click OK. Now here flange 1 is not appearing inside new construction. Just check in join and trim. Here flange 1 geometrical set is moved in a new geometrical set, which is join and trim. Now we will see reordering elements within a geometrical set. This feature allows to arrange elements inside a geometrical set. To Rearrange the elements within geometrical set. Choose geometrical set wherever you want to reorder the elements. Right click on geometrical set. From object menu, choose option reorder children. The dialog box for reordering children appears. Now we have to choose elements to reorder. Here select which element we have to reorder. Here we will try for this extrapole 26. To move element upward or downward, use these arrows. Here we will try. Here you can see extrapole 26 is moving upward as I am choosing upward direction arrow. When I go first element by clicking on upward arrow, and then again I will click on upward arrow, it will go to last of geometrical set. Similarly, try this downward arrow and leave element where you want. Click on OK. Now, what are the advantages of using geometrical set instead of ordered geometrical sets? First one is elements in this session can be shuffled irrespective of their sequence of creation, which means suppose we have take basic surfaces as an example. Now there are elements extract, then surface entering, extrapole, extract, again 3 extracts, then join, parallel, offset, likely. There are many operations in this geometrical set. If you want to reorder these operations, these elements can shuffle within tree irrespective of sequence of their creation. Another advantage is the parent element in this set is not absorbed after any operation. Hence, an element can be used and reused at different levels. Here, we'll see how this works. We'll try this in new part. Just start with generative shape design. Here by default I have geometrical set 1. Here we have geometrical set 1. Within this geometrical set we have elements sketch 1, then extrude 1, sketch 2 and extrude 2. Now we'll try operation on these elements. Here use shape fillet and select these two supports. Enter radius value. Here you can see we have joined these two elements using shape fillet command. Now if you try to edit this fillet, you can see support 1 is extrude 2 and support 2 is extrude 1, and in this fillet definition operation these two surfaces are joined together. But if you want to use extrude 1 surface and extrude 2 surface in future for any other operation, still we can use this extrude 1 surface again. Here by just right click on extrude 1 surface and click on hide show option. Here you can see extrude 1 and extrude 2 is still there and can be used further for any operation required in future. Next advantage is geometrical set maintains better flexibility, which means you can easily reorder or reshuffle the elements within tree. Two or more geometrical set can be grouped together as it does not depends on sequence of creation. Now see what are the disadvantages of using geometrical set. First disadvantage is it consists of only wireframe and surfaces, which means we cannot use geometrical set for part modeling or solid modeling. Next one is it does not maintain linearity in operation. Here we will see another model. Here you can see basic surface geometrical set. Within this basic surface there are few operations, but we can reorder or rearrange the sequence of operation irrespective of their sequence of creation within tree, which means it does not maintain the linearity. It may get confusing to another person to identify which operation is done first and which operation is done last. Next disadvantage is geometrical set cannot be switched to ordered geometrical sets, as it consists only wireframe and surface elements. It is not compatible for Boolean operation, which we use in solid bodies to remove or add bodies. Now we will see where we have to use geometrical set. Geometrical set can be recommended for use when working with non-hybrid environments and also when linearity is not a criteria. Now we will see what is ordered geometrical set. Geometrical sets allow to combine multiple features into a single set or subset. The order of these aspects is irrelevant because their access and visualization are handled separately and without any rules. This structure, however adaptable, does not fit the design process. That's why ordered geometrical sets introduced concepts like step succession and absorption to define the design. Within ordered geometrical sets, creation features produce a new item, which means operations like extrude, sweep, offset creates a new item, while modification features add a new state on an existing object while absorbing the previous states, which means when we use edge fillet or shape fillet operation on an extruded surface, it gets absorbed by next operation and surface get modified to new state on existing object. In this case, absorbed feature are not visible or not accessible, which means we cannot modify or we cannot reuse these basic operations like extrude or sweep, offset. The order of appearance of these features in specification tree is consistent with the procession of design generation in ordered geometrical set. Now we will see how to use and how to manage ordered geometrical sets within specification tree. Geometrical set can be called as GS as short form. Similarly, ordered geometrical set can be called as OGS. Now we'll see how to insert ordered geometrical set. Here select element in specification tree as new OGS splitment. Here we'll select this sketch 5 and extrude 3 to be moved in new ordered geometrical set. Now these elements will be a child of newly created OGS. Because the order applies to all elements of same root ordered geometrical set, inserting an OGS does not disrupt the sequence of operations. From menu bar, select Insert and choose Ordered Geometrical Set. The dialog window for inserting an ordered geometrical set appears here. The previously selected element appears in features list, which will be added to new ordered geometrical set. Now we have to enter the name of newly created ordered geometrical set. Here we'll use name. Now we have to choose body where new OGS to be added from father drop down selection. Here we can see possible father bodies. Here we can only see part body 1 as there is only one body we can select. Now click on OK. Now we'll see defining in work object. After the work object is created, the next element is produced. Here you can see we have OGS basic surface. In basic surface there are elements extrude, sweep, split 1, split 2 and then fillet. Now this fillet 1 operation is defined in work object, which means if we create a new surface, now it will be created after this fillet 1. Here we can try with offset. Now this offset is created after this fillet 1. But if you want to make any offset of this extrude surface, in this case now it is not possible to create any offset after this extrude surface. For that we need to define in work object this extrude operation. Right click on this operation and define in work object. When we define this extrude in work object, the features created after this extrude 3 are not appears or disappears. Now this we can now create any operation after extrude and before this sweep operation. Here we will try offset surface for this extrude 3 surface. Click on offset, select support. Now enter offset distance. Click OK. Now you can see this offset surface is generated after extrude surface and before this sweep surface. This is how we can use defining in work object. Removing an ordered geometrical set. To remove any OGS from specification tree, select delete contextual command from right click menu of ordered geometrical set. Here just right click on OGS which you want to remove and select delete. All of contents of the OGS are removed. Now we'll see removing a feature within OGS. Select delete contextual command by right clicking on feature you want to remove. Here we will try this for split one operation. Right click and select delete. This split operation gets removed from specification tree. Now we will try to remove sweep operation. Right click and select delete. Click OK. Here you can see system reroutes the children on element that has been modified once a modification feature is removed. Here we have removed sweep operation, but as a result operations next to sweep are getting removed and upper levels updated feature is take place after deleted feature, which means when we remove any feature within OGS, the features depends on that removed feature will also gets removed. Now we will see reordering a creation feature. Changing the order of creation feature based on the sequence of a modification feature. To reorder feature from OGS in specification tree, right click on OGS in which we want to reorder the children and from object menu select reorder children. The dialog window for reordering children appears. As in geometrical set, here it is not possible to reorder all the feature. Only the features which are not modified can be reordered in OGS. Here we'll try for this sweep one. Here you can see the sweep one can get reordered. Again we will try for another operation. Here you can see for split operation it is not possible to reorder. The features which are modified in specification tree next to that feature, these features cannot be reordered in ordered geometrical set. What are the advantages and disadvantages of using ordered geometrical set? First, see advantages. Elements in this set maintain linearity with respect to their order of creation, which follows simple design process. It consists of wireframes, surfaces and solid body. We have seen in geometrical set it can only consist wireframes and surfaces. Any feature in this set can be set as in work object, but features located after it neither be accessible and not be visible, which means if we define extrude 3 in work object, the features after this extrude will not be visible. It maintains better linearity in design flow understanding, which means anybody can understand the design flow. OGS can be switched to geometrical set, but GS cannot be switched to OGS. OGS supports the volume and can hold volume features, which makes OGS compatible with Boolean operation with solid body, which means it can also used in Boolean operation as it can contain solid bodies. What are the disadvantages of using OGS? Element in this set cannot be shuffled irrespective of their sequence of creation, which is possible in geometrical set. The parent in this set is absorbed by performing an operation. Here, if we do any operation on sweep 1 or extrude 1, it get absorbed by parent, which means after this split 1 split 2 operation, we cannot view this sweep and extrude operation. These basic surfaces get absorbed by modification feature. It does not maintain flexibility within specification tree. OGS cannot be grouped together. Applications where we use ordered geometrical set. OGS can be recommended for use when working with hybrid environments where a model is combined result of generative shape design and part design. It also used where we have to maintain linearity in design flow understanding. This is we have completed session GS and OGS. We have seen advantages, disadvantages, applications of GS and OGS, how to add, how to remove, how to reorder geometrical set within specification tree. Thank you.